So there's a question that sometimes comes up, because often businesses come to us thinking they're going to run search campaigns. That's the obvious thing to them. But then there's this question that I know we both hear when we were looking to expand the campaign range that we're going to get a business to actually pursue. And that is, what's the point of running YouTube ads? It's a waste of money just for showing ads that are probably going to get skipped.
Okay. Did that question say waste of money?
It did.
Oh, really? Okay. So the person who sent this question really doesn't know the power of YouTube. Google is the world's biggest search engine, where everybody goes, obviously, to get the solution to the problem. YouTube is the second largest search engine. And guess what? Who owns YouTube? Google. So YouTube is embedded in that Google ecosystem. Many people will go to YouTube for entertainment purposes, educational purposes, or watching funny kitten videos. All right? Let's look at the first two. Educational. If you're struggling with somebody, how to bake a cake, how to play golf, how to make a burger, how to do marketing or whatever, somebody on YouTube is going to show you how to do all these things. All right? So imagine if somebody is looking for how to run Google. I will give our own example. We upload videos like this one so that we educate our audience for Google ads, YouTube ads, and so on. And this is why we do it. We want somebody to stumble upon our video, and all of a sudden they like the video and say, this guy is making sense. I like what he's saying. And then that person starts to follow us or follow our company or brand. As soon as he starts to watch our videos, he's into our funnel, and then we just keep pushing him down with more and more videos with remarketing. So you can set up a remarketing campaign on YouTube. So if you've seen one of my videos, I can hit you with other videos at will with setting up a remarketing campaign and tell Google Ads that anyone who has seen my video on my channel, show them these ads, these videos as ads as well. For us as a company, our best campaigns are on YouTube. Our most profitable ads are on YouTube. So YouTube is not a waste of money, because video ads or video marketing is the quickest, fastest, and the most economical way of building up your brand, first of all, as well as generating leads or sales. So I would never say YouTube is a complete waste of time if you are not using YouTube as a channel. Then you certainly are wasting your time on doing marketing and advertising.
Yeah, really interesting point there. And as you're answering that, something that came to my mind is, if we think of the young generation, the next generation, they're all on
YouTube.
Video.
I mean, our kids never watch TV.
No, they don't.
They're all on YouTube.
No, can't think when we sat together and watched something together on the big screen.
No.
And actually, today's youngsters are tomorrow's consumers. So actually, we need to be on there as business owners, because that's how the next generation are going to be buying.
Yeah, I mean, think of all the toddlers. They've grown up with YouTube. All right, every 2-year-old or even younger. I think these little babies are born with a mobile phone in their hand nowadays, and where they are on YouTube. So when a mom wants the kid to stop crying, just hand them the phone, put the YouTube on, the cartoons or whatever. So you don't want the ads to run on those videos or channels, because they're not your target audience. So you can exclude them and save a lot of money, because YouTube or Google will not show your ads on those baby channels or kid channels or cartoon channels. So this all comes under optimization, and that can be easily done. So only those people who are your target audience will watch your video as an ad.
Sure. And the flip side of that is if you do want to have your ads in front of that particular audience, families with younger children, perfect. Because those kids are watching those skip ads and it's going in. You know, Mum, I want this.
Yes.
I want this for Christmas. I want this for my birthday. It's all going in, and that repetition, they've got them hooked
That's right.
from a young age. Great. Thanks for that.